Here is Iosepa Leon Gillespie. His very first night in his little bed on November 9th, 2010, and he is wide awake. Hello! Hello! There he is, as happy as can be. He wants to say hello to all of his family, and friends, and fans.
Is that gonna show real well?
Okay, good night, everyone.
You see his bed that he's in. Iosepa Leon Gillespie. This is probably the most awake he's been. Love, get in here and start talking, because I'm not very good at this. You need to talk about the day he's had.
Well, I want one short one.
Do your little goo goo gaga that you do. Little boo 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 boo.
Hello? Hello? Do you hear your mama? Do you hear your mama? Yes. Yes. Hello? Hello, honey. You want to say hello to the camera for everyone? Everyone was so excited to see you. They're so excited to see you. Say hello, Grandma and Grandpa. I am so strong. I am a big, strong boy. I like to pick my head up all by myself. And I'm being such a good eater. Yes, I am. Okay, everyone, it's my bedtime. Good night.